You are standing in the grocery store checkout line. The total comes up. You tap your card. And somewhere in the back of your mind, you are doing the math wondering if your pension deposit this month is going to cover it. Maybe you already checked your bank app this morning. Maybe you noticed the number looked a little different than last month. Or maybe you are waiting, hoping, because someone online told you there is extra money coming in March. My name is Joseph, and welcome to Canada Pension Guide, the channel where we cut through the noise and give you the verified government-confirmed facts about your CPP, your OAS, and every benefit you have earned. Today, we are talking about the March 2026 pension payments, what is real, what is inflated, and most importantly, what you need to do right now so that not a single dollar slips through your fingers. Because here is what I need you to understand before we go any further. There is real money on the table in 2026. Confirmed increases, official numbers. But there is also a wave of misleading content circulating right now that is setting seniors up for disappointment, and in some cases, setting them up to be scammed. If you close this video in the next 3 minutes, you will walk away with an incomplete picture. And an incomplete picture of your pension could cost you hundreds of dollars, a delayed payment, or worse, a suspended benefit that you did not even know was at risk. So stay with me, because I am going to break this down into 5 things you need to know, verified, sourced, and explained in plain language. Let us go. Number 1. The increase is real, but the number you keep hearing is not the whole truth. The Government of Canada has officially confirmed that CPP payments increased by 2% effective January 2026. That is locked in for the entire calendar year. At the maximum benefit level, that 2% translates to an increase of approximately $74.65 per month. That is not a rumor. That is the number published directly on the Canada.ca quarterly benefit report for January through March 2026. On top of that, OAS increased as well. Seniors aged 65 to 74 are now receiving a maximum of $742.31 per month. Seniors aged 75 and older receive $816.54. That is a quarterly cost of living adjustment that takes effect automatically. Now, what about the $400 you keep hearing about? Here is the honest answer. There is no single $400 bonus being deposited in March 2026. What that number actually represents is the cumulative picture for some seniors when you stack CPP, OAS for those over 75, and the guaranteed income supplement together. A senior at or near maximum combined benefits is receiving significantly more today than they were 2 or 3 years ago. The stacking of those annual increases adds up, but it is not arriving as one lump payment this month. It is baked into your regular deposit, and only if you are receiving all 3 programs at their higher adjusted rates. Number 2. Your March 27th deposit depends on one thing you may have forgotten to do. March 27th is the official CPP and OAS payment date for this month. That money is already scheduled. But here is where many seniors run into a problem they never saw coming. If you recently changed your bank account, even just switched branches, or moved to a new financial institution, and you did not update Service Canada, your direct deposit will fail. The system does not chase your money. It does not call you. It simply reverts to a paper check, and that check can take 2 to 3 weeks to arrive. The form you need is ISP-3025. It is the direct deposit enrollment form, and you can submit it through My Service Canada account online or by calling Service Canada directly. Do not wait until after the 27th to check this. Check it today. Number 3. If your income dropped in 2025, there is a form that could unlock more money immediately, and almost nobody talks about it. If you lost a spouse in 2025, if you retired last year, if your employment income stopped or significantly decreased, you may be eligible for more guaranteed income supplement right now without waiting until July's annual recalculation. The form is called ISP-3025, the Statement of Estimated Income. It allows Service Canada to assess your GIS based on your current estimated income rather than your 2024 tax return. For some seniors, this means hundreds of dollars per month in additional GIS that they are entitled to, but are not receiving simply because they did not know this form existed. This is the most underused tool in the Canadian senior benefits system. If your financial situation changed in 2025, this form may be one of the most important things you do this year. Number 4. There is a July deadline that is quietly threatening GIS payments, and the clock is already ticking. Every year in July, Service Canada runs a recalculation of the Guaranteed Income Supplement. They cross-reference your benefit with the tax data CRA has on file for the previous year. If you did not file your 2025 income tax return by April 30th, 2026, the system flags your account and your GIS payments can be suspended. No advance phone call, no grace period letter in most cases, just a stopped payment. The only way to prevent this is to file your taxes before the deadline. Even if you had little or no income in 2025, file anyway. Filing your taxes as a GIS recipient is not optional. It is the mechanism that keeps your benefit alive. Number 5. There is a scam targeting seniors right now that is using this exact news story as bait. Because this increase has been all over social media and YouTube, fraudsters are calling seniors and claiming they need to register or verify their information to receive their special $400 bonus. They will ask for your social insurance number. They will ask for your banking information. They will sound official. They will be convincing. I am telling you directly, Service Canada will never call you unsolicited to offer you a bonus payment. All pension increases are automatic. No registration is required. No fee is required. No verification call is needed. If someone calls you about this, hang up. Then call Service Canada directly at 1-800-277-9914 to confirm the status of your actual benefits. So here is your protection plan, and it is simple. Go to my Service Canada account and confirm your direct deposit information is current before March 27th. If you changed banks recently, submit Form ISP-3025 immediately. File your 2025 income tax return before April 30th, even if your income was minimal, to protect your GIS from being suspended in July. If your income dropped significantly in 2025, ask Service Canada about Form ISP-3025 so your GIS can be adjusted based on your current situation. And if anyone contacts you claiming there is a bonus payment you need to register for, do not engage, hang up, and report it. You earned these benefits. They belong to you. And the best way to protect them is to stay informed with verified official information, not headlines designed to get clicks at the expense of your financial security. If this video helped you, please share it with a family member or a friend who receives CPP or OAS. They deserve to have the real numbers too. Subscribe to Canada Pension Guide so you never miss an update, because every quarter brings new rates, new deadlines, and new things the system does quietly that you need to know about. This community exists so that you always have someone in your corner who is watching these numbers for you. I am Joseph. Take care of yourself, and I will see you in the next one.